Today I'm going to show you how to replace a screen on a Dell Inspiron 15-3555 non-touch. Screen replacement should take less than 15 minutes. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a dental pick if you have one. Before you get started, you want to shut the machine down and remove the battery. The first step in replacement is to remove the screen bezel. Gently pry the inner edge of the screen bezel up with a pick or your fingernail. Gently work your way around, prying up on the inner edge of the bezel. Remove the bezel and set it aside. Next, remove the 4 Phillips screws that hold the laptop screen in place. Remove the screen and locate the 30-pin video connector. To remove the video connection from the broken screen, you need to rotate the retainer to a vertical position as shown here. Ensure the metal side rails have not shifted, as this will interfere with the new screen installation. Insert the video connection into the new screen and rotate the retainer into the locked position. This diagram shows the hinge points and the direction of rotation for the locked position. Once your connection looks like this, reinstall the tape over the connection. Install the new screen on the locating pins, ensuring all 4 holes match up. Reinstall all 4 Phillips head screws, ensuring the video wire at the bottom and connection is not crimped or bound in any way. Reinstall the screen bezel, gently working your way all the way around the screen. No tools should be used, just do this by hand. reinstall the battery, and boot the machine. I ordered my replacement screen from laptopscreen.com and I couldn't be happier. They shipped it quick, it was well protected, and it's a perfect fit.